If let's say I want to represent numbers that are floating point numbers in C, then I have to use a variable type called float. G equals 3.14. This represents a number which has a decimal point and a number before and after the decimal point. This stores 4 bytes of data just like an integer. If I want to print a floating point number to the terminal, I type printf with 2 parentheses and a semicolon, and inside I use %f to denote that this is a floating point number. I use comma and then I type g, which is the variable name for this floating point variable type. If I save this, I go over here and I type and I compile this program, and then I run this program. It gives me the value of the floating point, which is 3.14. In a later tutorial, we will teach you how we can remove these leading zeros from this value that is printed to the terminal.